this is Kathy. We are the company of Shenzhen Reman Intelligent Equipment. Established in 2015, we are the robotic company which integrates production, R&D and sales, covering an area of 6,000 square meters. This is our reception area. You can see many awards here. We are the national high-tech enterprise. This is the patent wall, more than 200 patents. And you can see here, including technology, software and design. This is our R&D department. Every year, we invest 60% of our profit to do product development. This is our production line. Every month, we will produce more than 1,000 units. Here is our quality control department. After the robot come off the production line, they undergo over 100 functional tests and more than 48 hours of agent tests to ensure they are 100% problem-free. You can see the robot is doing agent tests in this place. This is our factory delivery robot with maximum load capacity of 100 kg, 300 kg and 600 kg. This is our robot chassis. We offer open SDK and API interface, allowing our customers to do customized development. This is our autonomous forklift with a maximum load capacity of 1.5 tons. This is our cleaning robot. It can swallow water bottles, stoves, and screws. That's all. We are waiting for your visit anytime.